Hey everyone, welcome back to Bavman001 Travel Adventures. Today we're exploring Battersea Power Station. Once an industrial giant powering London, Battersea Power Station is now one of the city's most breathtaking shopping and leisure destinations. Today, we're stepping inside this iconic landmark to see what makes it a must-visit. Built in the 1930s, this Grade II-listed building produced electricity for decades before closing in the 1980s. After years of dereliction, it's been reborn in a £9 billion transformation, blending its Art Deco heritage with cutting-edge design. Step inside and you're met with soaring ceilings, polished steel, and brickwork that still whispers its industrial past. But instead of machinery, you'll find over 100 shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Fashion lovers will find everything from high street favorites to luxury labels. Whether you're here for style, tech, or lifestyle goods, there's a store for you. And when it's time to refuel, Battersea delivers. From the vibrant arcade food hall to riverside dining and even cocktails in the restored control room. It's a feast for every taste and every mood. But it's not just about shopping and eating. Take Lift 109 up a chimney for 360-degree views of London, catch a movie, or explore pop-up events and seasonal markets. Every visit feels different. Getting here is easy. Hop on the Northern Line straight to Battersea Power Station. From there, you're just steps from this incredible space. From its industrial roots to its modern buzz, Battersea Power Station is more than a shopping centre. It's a piece of London's soul, reimagined. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more London adventures. Thanks for joining me on another adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel vlogs from around the UK and beyond. See you next time.